Hey, what's up? How you doing today? This is my new, to me, it's smart battery charger. Probably not the smartest, but smarter than some, hopefully. And I wish I could tell you more info about it, but the thing doesn't even really have a brand name. It's so plain Jane. I mean, it's got some like Chinese, Japanese, look at these dirty knees writing on there right beside where it says LED, but it really has no brand name at all, really. Just says 12 volt charger. Here's a little bit of info on the back. So 12 volt, 20 amp hour, parentheses 12 to 30 amp hour, which is different from what the box says. DC 12 volt, input voltage 110 to 240 volt. Yeah, I wouldn't put no 240 on it. Output 28 watts. DC, let's see, I need to focus here. Read it for yourself too. DC's output voltage is supposed to be 13.8 volts. I think I tested that when I first got it, and I think it was really close to that. I can't remember exactly. Output current DC 2 to 3 amps. So, I mean, I've had it for I guess a few months or something, and so far so good. I have left it plugged in overnight one time, and it seemed fine. I haven't noticed it getting overly warm. I have noticed it get a little bit warm, but it's got good ventilation for air cooling. But it is not, obviously not designed to be used like completely outdoors for very long. And it is pretty smart. Like it's designed really to kind of top off batteries and then maintain a full charge. And it's pretty smart, because watch this. In this lovely doo-doo brown car, open up. We got a dome light on there, and it picks it up. I thought it was going to just have one light blinking, but for some reason it did two. It's doing two that time, but it tops them off pretty quick. And they put some jokes on here. This is funny. It says 12 volt, 2 to 3 amp charger. See, it's different from the sticker on the actual device. 4 amp hours to 30 amp hour battery range. So it's a little different. But this is hilarious. Let's see here. This is funny. The first joke is hilarious. Please read the manual before use. It didn't come with one. There was nothing in the box except the device. Look, see, it's already charged up. But all it was a dome light. This product is suitable for 4 amp hour to 30 amp hour lead acid batteries. Please choose a charger with the extra E, the same polarity as the charging interface when purchasing, whatever that means. Please use it indoors, beware of rain. Don't carry it with the car, avoid vibration, but I'm sure some people break that one all the time. By the way, I found it on eBay, brand new. It was not even $13. It was less than 13. It was 12 something. Free shipping and a little bit of tax added onto it. But now let's see here. Triple protection to prevent battery form bulge for overcharging. I think they got a couple letters swapped around there. It's supposed to say from, prevent battery from, but then it says, okay, extend battery life, saving energy, short circuit protection. That's good. Anti-over voltage, or over. Yeah, that's good. Anti-reverse charging, or polarity, reverse polarity protection. This is what's funny. Stand parameter automatic conversion of threshold value voltage. What is that supposed to mean? I got to read that one again. That's worth a second revisiting. Stand parameter automatic conversion of threshold value voltage. Okay, whatever you say. I'll take your word for that one, man. 6 threshold volt. See, that don't even mean nothing either. 6 plus 3 hours, so 9 hours threshold voltage coercion. What the heck? What coercion? We're trying to coerce somebody into doing something illicit here. 11 hours limited time high voltage charging. Yeah, that makes all kind of sense too, because there's so much high voltage on a battery. More like high amperage. 11. Okay, whatever they say. But that's all the information provided. So, I thought it would be better a step up from my dirt cheap Harbor Freight Syntec float automatic battery float charger, which hasn't been working for a while. But what's cool is these are totally fixable because they're so simple. And I'll provide the link for that in the description. And this guy made a nice video on how to fix these, or tune them up, make them better, more precise, or accurate, I should say. And he even draws out all the resistors in here. And he said the problem with where they make these is just quality control. And mine, check it out. That's where the main problem is with mine. I just haven't been able to bust this thing, crack it open yet. It's glued or plastic welded together so well. So now, believe it or not, these clips are actually better than the ones on my new one. You know, this wire, this is a little on the short side for sure, and the cord. But I'll give you a quick little demo here on how this works. Unplug the 120 volts, and then it's saying full charge. I will, whoa, hold up. I'll unplug this, it goes to nothing. Plug it back up, and it's saying 100%. And here, hold on. Plug in the 120 volts again and see what it does. No polarity on the 120 volt cord right there. So, anyway, so far so good. We'll see if it's still working a year from now. I mean, so far, I'd recommend it. For less than $13, you can't really beat that if it lasts, what, a year, 6 months, whatever. Walmart does have some very competitive priced ones that I very seriously looked at for around $20 to $30. They have got the good, of course, Battery Tender is a really good, probably the best brand name that everybody's familiar with, but there was also another one that was maybe Everstart that were, I think, yellow as well colored, but anyway, something I probably will do is put some scrap rubber around this to protect it from getting dropped on, and just as long as I don't cover up the LEDs, but that would be a good improvement. And I don't think, I won't get too carried away to where it would hold a lot of heat in, just enough to keep it kind of protected from getting dropped and the case from cracking and breaking other stuff loose that's up in there. So anyway, have a good one. Take care.